This is some introductory techniques for the Qual lab. This is mixing a solid. You're going to hang onto the test tube at the top and flick strongly at the bottom to get the liquid to swirl in the test tube. To decant, you're pouring the liquid off of a solid, so you're going to carefully pour into a new test tube. To get the last drop out of the test tube you're pouring from, touch the rim of one to the far rim of the other, and that will allow the drop to slide down the test tube into which you're collecting the liquid. We're using 4 different centrifuges. This is the 3rd one, 4th one. Some will be in the hood, some will be on the counter. Some have 8, some have 6 holes. When you're centrifuging, you need to make sure that you balance the centrifuge, which means if you have one tube to spin, you get a balancing one to match, and you put them opposite each other. You can spin 2, 3, 4, or 6 tubes. Put them in, close the lid, spin it. With the ones that are timed, basically turn them on, let them get up to speed, and then turn them off. The point of centrifuging is to get all the solids spinning down to the bottom of the test tube. So when you take them out, you want to be careful not to jostle them so that you mix the solid up with the liquid. I find sticking a pinky in and pulling it out and then grabbing it works best to remove the test tubes from the centrifuge. Now you have the solid at the bottom of the tube, which is where you want it, so you can decant.